Good morning, children and my dear parents. Welcome to the second Junior School Assembly. And before we start, I would just like to say we are so sorry for the delay. We apologize because, as you all know, it's raining heavily and we just had some network issues. So anyway, it's so good to be connected to all of you. And before we start, I would just like to start with a prayer. So I'd like to call Miss Jenny to come and say the prayer.
Good morning, children. So, hope you all are good and healthy. Today we are here to conduct an assembly. So, let's start the day with a prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes, and let us pray. Dear God, I pray for your strength today as I step into the world. Give me your eyes so I can see all that there is to see. Give me your ears so that I listen intently for every morsel of instruction. Give me your heart so that I learn to be more compassionate. Thank you for your grace and mercy which you have handed out freely every day. Lord, wrap your loving arms around those who need it most today and give them your peace. In your name, I pray. Amen.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Jenny. So children, we wanted to have this meeting because there were 2 or 3 things that we wanted to discuss about. But before I start with that, let me tell you that it's been 5 months since we last met. I think we met in the month of March. And after that, though we are meeting through WhatsApp and online classes, but physically we haven't met. So it's very good to be connected with all of you. I can see some of you watching us from there. So as you can see, the teachers, can you see? Yeah, Miss Sudha is there, then Miss Anupa, Miss Vidya, Miss Jenny, okay, and Janet sir is behind the camera. You cannot see it. So anyway, let me tell you that we are really missing you all, and especially in this month of August, where we used to have so many activities going on, isn't it? The drums playing, the march past going on, but now it's all empty. We're missing the fun and the laughter, you're shouting, you're running up the stairs, playing in the ground, football and badminton, we all used to be playing, skipping and all that. So we're really missing you all. So we thought we wanted to do this live assembly. Okay, so basically we wanted to have this assembly also because your unit test is starting from tomorrow. Okay, especially for classes 1 to 6. Nursery, LKG and UKG, you will not be having this online test this time because you are already having your continuous assessment test, isn't it? Okay, so for classes 1 to 6, your second language online test, sort of online unit test second will be starting from tomorrow. Okay, so we just wanted to clarify a few things. So second language and maths test you will have offline. Offline means that you will get the question paper in the WhatsApp group only. Okay, so you will get it at 9 o'clock. Please don't keep writing, where is the question paper, where is the question paper. The question paper will be posted tomorrow at 9 a.m. Okay, so when you get the question paper, in the WhatsApp group only you will get the question paper for Nepali and Hindi. Okay, so once you get the question paper, you look at the question, you take a piece of paper, you write your name, very very important. You write your name, your class, section and the subject. And the roll number also if you can, you write that and you do the answers. But when you're doing the answers also, please don't write the answer, whole answer. That is not the way. You read the question and write number 1, then there will be 4 options given, A, B, C and D. Okay, so you just write something, number A is the correct answer, you just write 1A. You don't have to write the whole sentence. Did you understand? So that is the first thing. So 25 questions will be given. So 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and just write whichever is the correct option. You just have to write A, B, C or D. You don't have to write the sentence. And please, after doing that, you click the photograph of that answer sheet and then you send it in the the personal number of the subject teacher. The phone numbers have already been given to you all. So tomorrow you'll be, please note down the phone number of Miss Menuka, your Nepali teacher, and your Hindi teacher, Miss Mala, and Mr. Raju Thakur. So these three numbers you keep in mind, and you please post your answer scripts to these numbers, to the subject teacher numbers. So for maths also you do the same thing. Okay? Don't post it in the group, because if you post it in the group, everyone will see your answers. So please be very, very particular and post the answers in the personal number of the subject teachers. Okay, so that's number one, that's offline. So that is for tomorrow. Our second language is tomorrow. The question paper I told you will be posted at 9 o'clock in the morning. So till 8 o'clock you have time. I know that a lot of network problems are there. No electricity, no network and all that. So till 8 o'clock we are giving you time to post your answer paper. Okay, and I am telling you again, please post it in the personal number of the subject teachers. So that is for second language and maths. Now for other subjects you have to go online. So all of you have already logged into the parents alarm, isn't it? So when you log in, once you're logged in, that means you don't have to keep logging in again and again. Okay, so when you open the page, you'll see online test. So when you click on the online test button, the question paper will be there. So the same thing you do, you just click on the right options. Have you understood? And if you're not able to connect, the question paper again will be posted at 3 o'clock in the evening. So you can do offline also. If you're not able to do online, you can do offline, but the question paper will be posted only in the evening. So please don't keep asking for the question paper. Wait for the question paper. It will be posted in the evening, and on the same day only you'll have to send your answers. If you send your answers after 2-3 days, that will not be entertained. Okay, because last time we had this issue. Some of the students were posting the answer paper after 3-4 days. That is not fair for the other children who've done the online test. Okay, so children, be careful, and once you finish the 25 questions, there is a thing called submit. So you just click on that button submit and your answer papers will be submitted. Okay, so that is about the unit test. So let's move on to something interesting. Okay, so 15th of August is coming up, Independence Day, India's Independence Day, and as I told you, we used to have a lot of activities. So 4 or 5 of us have gathered out here and we've put up a surprise for you all. Okay, so now I would like to request Miss Vidya come and say a few words about Independence Day.
Hello children, I hope you all are fine and being productive or making good use of your time. Okay, so what does Independence Day mean for you all? Apart from it being a holiday, okay? I think when we were born, India was already a free country, right? So we don't know much about it, the struggles that our, freedom fighters went through, okay? So I'll just try to explain to you in brief, okay? So we got independence after a lot of hardships and difficulties. Okay, so on this day, that's 15th of August 1947, we finally got independence from the British rule and India became a free and independent nation. Okay, so it is because of our freedom fighters who struggled and sacrificed their lives for our country. Okay, so this is the day we remember our martyrs who died for our country, and on this day we forget all our cultural differences and unite as one. Okay, so this special day is always celebrated with great enthusiasm. Okay, so we hoist our national flag and we sing our national anthem with a feeling of patriotism and love for our country. So it is definitely a moment of pride for each one of us. And you can see Miss Sudha behind with the flag. She is already, she's got in the mood. Already in the mood. Okay, so children, happy Independence Day in advance from all of us. Okay, and have a nice day. Stay safe and stay at home. Okay?
Okay, children, we've got something lined up for you for the 15th of August. It will be explained by Ms. Sudha.
Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are watching this small, short program. And we're going to make it more interesting by telling you what to do for Independence Day. Now, from nursery to class 2, I hope they're listening. I hope there are some nursery children and class 2 children. You have to draw the national flag, like how we used to make it in class last year, but unfortunately we can't do it. So this, can you see, nursery to class 2, you have to make a nice flag, color it and make it very interesting. Another thing is, now from class 3 to 4, you also have to draw the national flag. But of course, not only that, you have to write a brief description of the flag. What colors, why are they there, what do they represent, all that. And make it very nice and interesting, and you can put it up on the group so that we can have a look at it. And please, most of you, please take part, because there's very few children who take part. Now 5 and 6, now you have to write about, of course I would say now I don't know how you're going to celebrate Independence Day here this time, because we used to have a big show in school. So in case you all have it in your, what do you call that, area or locality. So if you don't have it also, think about the lovely times that you spent here in Rockville and what we did on Independence Day. Of course everybody looks forward to that holiday the next 2 days, but now we are holiday. So now,
Class 5 and 6.
5 and 6, you will write about Independence Day celebration in, not this year because I don't know whether we'll have it, but what you have seen in your town, in your school, in the city. Have you understood? You can draw, write, do everything, but send us also, that we'll also know how, whether you missed Independence Day in school this time, then we will miss. So that's why we are trying to wear the colors of the flag. Can you see? Okay, children, happy Independence Day and be good. Did you understand? You can write a national anthem like how we write our poems in the class, make it colorful with flags, with pictures if you can do anything. Just to, of course, you have to keep yourself busy also. The exams are there also, but this is a
Independence Day celebration.
After all, you know what they fought for, and you are free to talk like this also now. Okay, children, now I give the mic to Ma'am Roshni.
So children, we've done something for you all. Okay, so I'll call Ms. Anupa to just show us something for you to do, you and your family to do together on 15th of August. Draw the flag, sing the national anthem and make these special snacks that we have. We're going to show you how to make it again. So we prepared 3 items actually. Miss, if you can just show us the... So we've made this. This is a tricolor fried rice. So you can see out here. I don't know whether you'll be able to. You can just zoom on this. Yeah. So this is a tricolor. The the flag of the color. So orange, white, green, and with the Ashoka Chakra in the middle. So you can make this type of fried rice and serve it to your parents. And then Ms. Vidya, a new skill. She's become a baker. So you see, she's made cupcakes, Independence Day cupcakes for you, tricolor cupcakes. Yes, now you can see it clearly. Can you see? Yeah, there.
I know you're dying to eat it, but
Yeah, so we'll have it for you all. Okay, then Ms. Anupa is going to show you how to make Tiranga sandwiches. Alright? So you don't need, so she'll explain it to you. So everything is orange, white and green. We are also dressed up if you can see.
Good morning children. Okay, let's start making the Tirangana sandwich. Okay, first you need slices of bread, tomatoes, cucumber and green chutney, some mayonnaise, yeah, and sauce, tomato sauce. Okay, so let's start with.
Please. Watch carefully, children.
Yeah, first the tomato sauce. Spread it all over your bread evenly.
Watching carefully.
We can't talk to them.
No, you can.
Later on, after this.
And you can add some tomatoes, healthy tomatoes,
All healthy stuff.
all healthy. So we can add some more.
After getting to ready. But I don't know how many of them are connected.
Sauce.
39.
Now, now add mayonnaise, second layer. Spread it all over your bread.
23.
Children, all these ingredients, you'll get it at home. It's very easily available. Try making it at home. Now, the green chutney. Last
Wow,
layer.
it looks yum.
It looks yum and it's healthy also.
Yes.
Anupa, can you hurry up because I'm
Oh, yeah,
very
yeah.
hungry.
Alright. We are done.
So you have to cut it. Look.
Yes. You can cut it any shape.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Where
Then we prepare it to that.
wow, yum. Sweet. The orange is down. Doesn't matter.
Okay, it's done.
It's done. So you can see the so there, children, you can see the three-colored sandwich, but even though the saffron is down there,
It's an
so you can stir it upside down. No? Done it? Yeah. Just stir it. There. The color of the flag. You can see from the side or not, children?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. So you can make this and have it with your family on Independence Day. Alright, so we also will have it. Afterwards we'll share and have it. Okay, so make it and you can post the pictures on the WhatsApp group. So you have to make, so I hope you understood. Okay. So nursery to class 2, you'll have to make the national flag. Okay. 3 to 4, you have to draw the national flag and you have to explain what does orange saffron signify, what does white signify, what does the green color signify. Alright, so that is 4 classes, 3 and 4. Alright, and for 5 and 6, you can write or you can draw about the Independence Day celebration in your school or in your locality. Alright, and you can make all these items also and you can post it in your WhatsApp group. Okay, that is what the surprise that we had for you. And in the end, I think we'll have to sing the national anthem. Okay, and from all of us, from all the teachers, we would like to wish all of you a happy Independence Day. Okay, so stay safe, stay healthy. All right, and hope to meet you all
Very soon.
very soon, and all the best for your unit test also. Okay, children?
Oh, okay.
That's right.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, thank you, children. And if any of you would like to say something, you can unmute and we can talk with you all if you want. How do we? If anyone wants to say something? And I'm very impressed with this boy, Abhinay, because he stood up for the he's the only one who stood up for the national
And
song.
then he's always online. I've noticed, something or the other, he's always there.
Hello? Morning. Who's this?
This is Alex Mommy.
Oh, hello, Miss Lina. How are you?
So impressed with the effort the teachers are making in their own way.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Really perfect. So sweet to see all of you all.
Yeah.
Something or the other every time. Very nice.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Lina. Thank you. Thanks for encouraging. Namaskar.
Yeah, this one is the class 3.
Oh yes, sir. How are you?
Fine, actually, I'm watching this thing.
Oh, from Darjeeling.
Wow.
Yes.
Just take a photo.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Happy Independence Day. Beforehand.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any of the students want to say something? Any student?
Come on, children, this is the time to talk. We haven't talked to each other for a long time.
We should keep telling them don't make noise.
Don't make noise.
Don't make noise. Don't shout.
To talk.
Yeah, now we're telling you talk. No one is talking. Saina, Guru, you want to say something? I can see that you're on mic. Saina? Yes? How are you all? Morning, morning, morning. Oh, that's Avi? Yes, yes. Okay, thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this program.
I hope you'll make the sandwich.
Teach your parents.
Oh, okay, very good. Post it, okay, in the group. I know.
What about our students from Bihar? Anybody? Nobody answers.
Okay, so I think, any more questions?
Before we wind up.
I can't see anyone. There's no one from Bihar, I think.
Live interaction.
I think I saw Nitish Kumar. Nitish, are you there?
There we can see. Urgen is there. Oh, Priyadarshini, how are you? Oh, Pratham is there. I can see Pratham Jaiswal.
Pratham, how are you?
And very good, Pratham. You keep taking part in all these competitions, huh?
Morning.
Who's that? Morning.
That Adhika is also there, but is muted.
Adhika Uba. Adhika is there. So anyway, children, those who haven't been able to connect, we are recording this also. So we'll send you the recorded version also. Okay, so all those who missed out. There's Sushant Kumar is there. Okay, not a problem. We'll upload it on YouTube.
Yeah, we'll put it up.
Miss Prakriti is there also. Hello, Miss Prakriti.
Mimila is not there.
Isha Pradhan is there also. Isha, how are you? Fine.
Yasha, please study.
You can tell them to open the videos at least, so that you can see. Videos.
Open your thing. You can unmute your thing also. Video also. I can see Priyadarshini is there.
Pratham is there, Yugen is there, Ishani. Leena Thapa, miss, how are you?
You need to
Oh,
go there.
who's that?
Oh, Miss
Leena Thapa.
Miss Leena
Go there.
Thapa.
Oh, yeah.
Camera is there.
Hi Leena, what are you doing? Oh, yeah. What are you?
Independence Day. Happy Independence Day.
Oh, meeting, yeah.
Miss Prakriti is also there.
Miss Prakriti, salute.
Morning. So children, I hope you all understood about the unit test also. So tomorrow will be offline. Please remember that. Hindi and Nepali will be online. Okay, Bengali will be online.
Yes.
There's Arna. No, that's not Arna. So
34.
Nepali and Hindi will be offline, and the Bengali will be online. Please remember for tomorrow.
Let me look at the faces, I've not seen
The
them.
maths and second language will be offline.
2 participants raised hand.
Anyway, I think we'll have. Oh, there is
Arav is there.
Arav is it?
Arav is there. I can see Arav. Any questions, Arav? I said, oh, sweet.
But Arav, I'm very happy with you. The way you are doing your work, I see it on Instagram. It's doing everything in the game. So is
Okay, bye-bye now. Happy Independence Day to all of you and all the best for your unit test. Bye-bye. Bye.
bye children, bye. Bye, Leena. Bye.
Hope to see you all soon. Bye-bye.
Same to you, same